You guys were so concerned in the comment section last time about consuming too much energy drinks. We decided to play it safe. That's why we're doing an episode of After Hours, boys. This is part 2 to Blue Collar Mimosas. Good luck with what? I am jacked on Mountain Dew right now.
You ain't talking money, don't talk to me.
Barely survived part 1. And you guys thought it was gonna be the heart attack gonna take me out? No, it was the fact that I barely made it to the bathroom in time. But let's get to After Hours. Holy it smells like paper bag. Rockstar Mango. Let's start with that one. There's a lot of faith in that paper bag. Don't worry, boys. This cup is going to Cam afterwards. I'm not washing it. L'chaim. Mixy. That's not professional. That's professional. Tastes like mango. I'd recommend 6.5 out of 10. 7 out of 10. Let's keep digging, shall we? There's a beaver buzz in here. I'm definitely not grabbing that one. I don't trust anything you made it in Canada. Killer Black Cherry. That's some of the black ice one. Silver ice.
Not like black ice? Or...
No, not as big. Oh, you said black ice. I think you said black guys. Oh, holy. That tastes like cherry Coke, like super sweet. Oh, it doesn't taste like medicine afterwards, but it is. That's powerful. I didn't want to finish that. Hi. Just give it to me, Dad. Dude, it's bad. Fucking 0. It's not going to make the ratings.
It's not even allowed to say.
It's not going to allow it on the same side of the table, bud. Killer Blue Raz. We tried this last time, but it was Beaver Buzz, wasn't it? Hopefully this is better, because everything made in Canada sucks, except for poutine and me. I'm not. No. That is an overpowering taste. Almost awesome, and then just it's gonna be the color of my pee later. 0. Monster Punch Chaotic. It almost smells like your mom's body wash. Oh. It reminds me of that drink you have as a kid in the little lunchbox thing. It wasn't Sunny D. Capri Sun, yeah. Kind of tastes like that. But I haven't had one in years, so who knows. I'm gonna be honest, boys. I'm out of stir sticks now.
Get personal.
Sure as won't use the high torque for the rad gun. I'd be way too slow. Conk. Oh. Yeah, I know it's a bad idea, buddy. Don't worry. Mom will take care of you. Granny will look after you. It's not bad, but it's not good. I don't want to finish it. A 3 out of 10. It's not horrible. It's not that. It's not quite that, but it's not that. I put that there. So, any bets on the color we're gonna make at the end of the night? Sugar-free green tea extract. The last time we did this, it tastes like shit. I hate you guys. This is delicious. Let's do that again. Yeah, I bet you didn't bring me a Red Bull in here, did you? Nope. It just smells like shit. It smells like cough medicine. Yeah, it kind of almost tastes like Buckley's, but without the horrible aftertaste. So it's not going to work. No, it's there. The aftertaste is there. Did you guys know we now have our own Tekamo branded orange juice? Freshly squeezed by me with my buns of steel. The really citrusy taste of the orange juice is really hitting hard with the aftertaste of the green tea extract. 3. Watermelon. It's got to be delicious. It's watermelon. Dinner's coming back up. Yeah, it tastes like that really chemical watermelon taste. That's actually really good. We'll put that with the mango. That's a 6. I learned from fucking last time. My Tekamo change cup. Please, sir, you got some spare change? We need some money for our energy drink associations or sessions. Let's do some up ones now. Caffeine equal to approximately 2 cups of coffee. Mountain Dew Energy. 5% juice, 0 added sugar, zinc, vitamins A, C, and antioxidants. I don't know what that last thing is, but it sounds like I might need this to wash the shit out of my body later. No. Mental boost? Fucking not drinking that. Immune support. No, I don't need support. What is this gonna smell like? It smells like pine cones. I'm fucking not joking. Ugh. Ugh. Brother, ugh. Pineapple. Gross. Huh?
Because you gotta taste them.
I hate you, Brandon. I shouldn't tell you these things. I hate the taste of pineapple, especially chemical pineapple. Might need warranty. Clean up an aisle, me. They go to bed real sticky tonight, boys. I can't even swallow it because I know it's gonna taste like. It's that bad. Pomegranate Blue Burst. Yeah, f you, Mountain Dew. We already tried your bullshit. Strawberry Melon Spark. Tea and lemonade with orange juice. Opa. Smells like tea with lemonade. Ooh. Oh, wow. Ugh. Really bitter, and then the lemonade comes in. Like the orange juice is really bitter with that. 3 out of 10. There was no carbonation. Like Red Bull is not as sweet as that. And Red Bull's pretty sweet. Like that stuff, like, try it, Josh. Oh my, the hand made an appearance on the channel. Was that a revive? Let's do another revive. See if we can revive my spirits. Peach tea. That sounds delicious. Doesn't smell like tea. Tastes like peaches, no tea. Oh, that almost came back up. 2 out of 10. It's just they're really sweet. What are you in here? Ultra Fiesta Mango? If you guys can tell us what part of the world these come from, you might earn a free sticker from. Go f yourself.
Fortis HD will give you a chance to win a sticker pack. Comment below what OJ and energy drink you think Tyler should try next. I'm not doing it because I'll f***ing die. Take a screenshot and fill out the form in the description for your chance to win some sticker packs. Well, I guess I should show you the right side of it, eh? Woo, woo.
Wow, that is so strong coming from the cup. Yeah, as soon as I poured it out, it's like, wow, that hit my nose quick. It smells like fucking pineapple. It says mango. Fuck. Just added some metal to the fucking drink. Really should have put a carbide burr on this. What? Good luck with what? Me. That's actually really good. On its own, tastes like ass. We'll put that over in the 6 pile. Hey, come on. So we've come back from talking to our medical team. They said we can continue on because I'm not dead yet. Pacifist Punch. Oh, Pacific Punch. Tastes like punch. Must be fruit punch. Which looks like period blood. Oh. Oh, it's delicious. It didn't kill the tangy aftertaste of the orange juice, though. Give that a 3. 2 more? Let's get these pieces of away. Let's just knock out the Mountain Dews. Fucking one's a strawberry melon spark, and one's a pomegranate blue blast. Yell at your fucking TV at home which one I should drink first. Okay, you guys said strawberry spark. Man, it just smells like like Mountain Dew. Do fucking better. Don't do energy drinks anymore. You suck at them. Do it because you're a dude. Or do it with a dude, even though you're a dude. It tastes like chalky strawberry. What on my nose? Note to self, don't use my nose. Yeah, who'd have thought orange juice and energy drink would burn? We'll put it with the 5s. It's actually not bad. That was bullshit. It's f***ing green. All I know is when I go to piss, I'm going to the airport and fill up jets.
It's Shrek's.
What the f***? I left my cup unattended for 5 minutes and Shrek managed to come here and f***ing inside of it. It does look like Shrek's. And the mono, we're making flapjacks. You know what, Mountain Dew, you really f***ed up at the beginning, but you kind of clawed your way back. It's just the fact it kind of tastes chalky, like dry. Now, kids, remember at home, where'd you guys go? These are all for next time. I don't want to drink Prime. Kiwi Strawberry Splash. That just does not sound good. Beaver Buzz. Root beer energy drink. Energy. This is damn good. Okay. Mandarin Orange. That won't be bad. Orange and orange juice. Can't go wrong with that. Black Guy Berry. Or Blackberry.
Who's Blackberry?
He's that dude that shamelessly plugs himself into a lot of pictures, sitting on the edge of the bed with his black hammer. Well, guys, I believe that's it for this episode of After Hours. We're gonna save the best for last. You guys were so concerned in the comment section last time about consuming too much energy drinks. We decided to play it safe. Don't let me do dumb things. That tastes like horrible. Keep forgetting there's $100 on the line, and I do it anyways. You guys have a great night. Remember, God loves you, because I'm gonna go fucking die now. I mean, I sure as don't. Red Bull's still king, 100%. Even the sugar-free, way better than everything we put up against tonight. Nothing here today made it past 6. I'm not looking forward to the root beer. That's gonna be so fucking nasty, man. The Red Bull, sponsor me, please. You know what, boys? He whomever guesses. Clean up on aisle me. Oh, he's gone. He's gonna be pissed that he can't get outside. The look of confusion. I'm gonna eat this from my dad now. No, he's devastated. Well, the truck's gone. He can go outside now. You can open the door, Brandon. That pulled a hammy last week. It still isn't better. I was training for the Olympics. The fucking Olympics.
Boy, did I kick their ass.
I'm going to totally kick their ass. Get out there. Got my ass kicked by in wheelchairs.